Alright guys, what is up? I got a new camera angle. As you can see, I hope you like it. We got a little more space now just because my phone's farther back. But today we have all the chicken from Wendy's. Now, I didn't get any of the spicy sandwiches. I'm sorry. But we have the chicken junior, the bacon BLT. We've got 6 normal piece nugs, 6 spicy nugs. We got the grilled chicken wrap. We got normal ranch, ghost pepper ranch. Yeah, and 4 of the chicken sandwiches. So, without further ado, hope you enjoy this chicken Wendy's attack chicken video. And I hope you like the new angle. If you don't, you know, I'll change it back, but comment down below if you like this video, or if you like this angle. So now, what do I start with? Oh, I also got a vanilla Sprite. So, without further ado, let's get into it. We're gonna try the chicken nuggets first. We're gonna try these and we're gonna rate them all on a scale from 1 to 10. The normal nuggets. I love Wendy's nuggets so much. Let's get an 8 out of 10. And that's without ranch. Next up, this is the Asiago sandwich, chicken sandwich. There's tomatoes, cheese, bacon, and lettuce. I think that's what this is at least. See that? Looks immaculate, does it? There's also mayonnaise in it. That is really good. All of it blends well together. Normally I don't like tomatoes and mayo, but I was like, you know what? Let me try it. Maybe it'll be good. And it was. I would order this again. This sandwich, 8.5 out of 10. Next up, the chicken junior. And this sandwich pretty much is just mayo, a chicken patty, and lettuce. So, without further ado, alright, that sandwich is, you know, it's a little drier, but there's like there's like pepper flakes in there, and you can taste them. It's a little bit better than like, you know, the sandwich you'd get in the cafeteria line at school. But with that, I'd give it a 6.8. You know, it wasn't the best, wasn't the worst. It's a good option if you're trying to be a little healthier, not as many calories, you know. And this, I don't know if I've ever had this. This is the chicken wrap, grilled chicken wrap. There's grilled chicken, lettuce, cheese, and ranch. So, all the things I like. Here we go. Alright, so this one, honestly, you can't even tell that it's a grilled chicken other than like the breaded chicken or fried chicken, you know? And I liked it. I would give it a 7.1 out of 10. There's some seasoning on the chicken that's like really good actually. And the lettuce is fresh. Good tortilla. Nice char in the chicken. See if you can see that. There's like some seasoning on it that tastes really weird. But I like it a lot. So 7.1. And next up, I think this is the Royal Crispy sandwich. There's tomatoes, mayo, pickles, and lettuce. So, here we go. Alright, the Costin's chicken sandwich was a little bit drier than like this one and this one. And I think this one and this are the same, except this one has Swiss cheese on it. Maybe that affected it, I don't know. This one overall is good. The mayonnaise was a little like unproportionate, like one side had a lot and one side had like none. So the one side that had a lot was like really juicy and good, and the other side was good but dry, you know? I'd give this a 7.5 out of 10. Just overall, it's good. The tomato's good, lettuce, mayo, chicken. It's just, this is your average chicken sandwich. Just like, and I think there's, yeah, and pickles. So yeah, average chicken sandwich. You know what? Oh, let's go on a little palate cleanse and try the vanilla Sprite. That did not work. Oh. That did not work either. Looks crisp, doesn't it? Alright. My parents are yelling in the back, but the vanilla Sprite, it doesn't honestly taste like a vanilla Sprite, you know? Like the vanilla Coke I got tasted like a vanilla Coke. This tastes like Sprite and vanilla. Flavors don't go too well together, but overall, I'd give it like a 6 out of 10. I would probably get it again, not over the Coke, but if it was there, I'd drink it, you know? And the last sandwich is the BLT. So there's bacon, lettuce, tomatoes, and mayo. Tomato. This is the chicken BLT. There's something about that that's so good. The first bite was so refreshing. I was like, whoa. I got taken aback for a second. Like, that bite was so refreshing. I didn't think I liked BLTs, but I think I do now. Maybe because it's chicken, I don't know. But that was really good, actually, surprisingly. I'd give that an 8 out of 10. Like, that was really, really good. The tomato was really fresh. The lettuce was fresh. It just seemed like an overall, like, good sandwich. you know? So yeah, this one gets an 8 out of 10. And now we got 6 pieces of the spicy nuggets. Because I don't know if they're actually that spicy. I've had them before, but I don't remember. So here we go. Excuse me. You can see the pepper on there. Alright, so there's a little kick to that. And me personally, I cannot do any spice whatsoever. But those are enjoyable. It's like it's not too spicy at all. It's just enough. And for me, I love that. I'd give those a 7 out of 10 also. Those nuggets are really good. Might honestly, nah. They're not better than these. These are so good. But yes, and now we gotta try the ranch. So I got ghost pepper ranch and normal ranch. And so what other way to do it than put the normal nuggets in the ghost pepper ranch and put the spicy ones in the normal ranch. So let me just open that. You can see, I don't know if you can see, but there you go. Let me get some more. That is really good. Again, I thought it was gonna be really spicy. It's called ghost pepper. It's really not. There's just a good like ting to it that tastes nice. That gets a 7.5 out of 10. That's good ranch. And now, we've all had this. We all love it. But the buttermilk ranch. I've never had it with the spicy nuggets though, so. There you go. Little white sauce. You know, I can't believe I'm saying this, but I think this is a little bit better. I think it is. And you know, I'm gonna rate this ranch 7 out of 10. It's good ranch, you know? It's not the best thing ever. It's not like the homemade one, but it's also not like sour like some like Burger King. And now we're gonna do the spicy and the spicy. Double spice. And the normal in the normal. Alright, here's the thing. Normal and normal doesn't taste as good as the normal and the spicy, and vice versa. Spicy and the spicy doesn't taste as good as the spicy and the normal. So I think it's like the opposite flavors, opposites attract, you know? Because that was good. Mouth is burning a little. And honestly, I think this was the best sandwich. Like, Now, I don't know if I was just hungry because my Uber driver took like 2 hours to get here. I'm not mad at him though. It was an honest mistake. His app on his phone got deleted, like the DoorDash app. And I called him because it was like an hour, and I was like, dang, bro, I was like, are you good? I was like, I want to make sure he was okay and like didn't crash or something. And he was like, yeah, the phone, like I have no service and the app just deleted off my phone. And I was like, oh man, that's fine. It's like, get here when you can. Sent him the address. He pulled up. Excuse me. Food was still warm. Give him props. And now, let's just, for the heck of it, try the sandwich, all the sandwiches and each of the ranch, you know, just for the fun. For that sandwich, for the Asiago, spicy is better. I'm gonna tell you which one was better for each of the sandwiches. Junior in the spicy. Oh, there's a big piece of lettuce. You know, that's pretty close, but I think the classic, the normal buttermilk ranch is better. And now this wrap's falling apart a little, but here we go. Oh. And now, normal. Let me bite this like lettuce chunk off. And now, normal. For the wrap, normal is better again. Now this is the classic chicken sandwich. So, into the spicy we go. And a little bit of normal ranch. Again, the normal ranch takes it. It is now 3-1. Spicy can't even win. But we're gonna try it anyway. The BLT chicken sandwich in with the spicy. Big hunk of spice right there. What's so weird is that the spicy with that and the tomato tasted horrible, but with that one, it tasted really good. But normal. I can't believe I'm saying this either, but I think the BLT chicken is better with no sauce. Like, it didn't enhance it at all. It honestly took away from it a little. But yes, so the Asiago sandwich, best with the spicy ranch. These three, the junior chicken, the classic chicken, and the chicken wrap, all better with buttermilk. And if you get the chicken BLT, if you get the chicken BLT, then try to use no sauce, unless you really like sauce. This is growing on me. When I first drank it, it wasn't the best. Now I like it more. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this chicken taste test video of all the chicken sandwiches, except for the spicy ones. If you want, if I should do it again with all these and the spicy ones, you know, let me know that. There's like 2 or 3 spicy sandwiches on their menu. If I should do it with like burgers, if I should do a different restaurant, like I do live in Vermont, so we don't have anything cool like Wingstop or Taco Bell or Popeyes, but you know, if you want me to do this with like Burger King or McDonald's or something, if you want a dessert thing, I could do like Dunkin' Donuts or Crumble Cookie, something cool like that. But yeah, overall, I hope you like this. We had buttermilk chicken nuggets, or we had normal chicken nuggets. I don't know if they're called buttermilk. We had normal chicken nuggets. We had, ooh, there's a hair. I think it's mine though. We had an Asiago chicken sandwich, junior chicken, chicken wrap, classic chicken, chicken BLT, and spicy nuggets, along with spicy ranch and normal ranch, and a vanilla, 0 sugar, because I'm on a diet. You know, you gotta stay healthy. Excuse me again. A vanilla, 0 sugar, Sprite. So yes, comment down other stuff. If we have it in Vermont, I'll do it. If we don't, I'm very sorry. I hope you like this video. Peace out, and I love you. And I will also see you in the next one, which is Friday, or Monday. Today's Friday. I feel paralyzed.